Pagdating nung panahon doon, saan nakakita na nakikita ko sa TV, gusto kong pumunta doon. But in difference to Gatchalian, kasi ang flow ng traffic in Lex, but sa siyudad mismo, the whole of the city, the control of the traffic is always left to the local government. Local government yan. So, nandoon sa mayor, galit na galit, and I could understand his, with all the conundrum of taking place. Pati ako magagalit talaga. And I understand this burst of anger, which is justified para matauhan kayo. Now, next time, itong Toll Regulatory Board, next time, kasi ang participation natin dito, kayong iba sa may-ari ng toll, yung Skywayan kung ano, ang participation natin ay kaya yan. I don't think you really know what is a regulator is. That's a problem. Basta ka na pumasok kayo sa gobyerno, take oath kayo, hindi ninyo alam the length and breadth of what a regulator must do. If I see another glitch is there, mayroon pala kayong dito, may memorandum pala kayo, Art. Saan yung mga tao? Can I fire them? Palitan ko na lang lahat. Yung may experience na, yung dumaan na administrasyon, I don't care if it's during the time of Aquino and Arroyo. Hindi ko matanggap yung incompetence niyo. Kasi kami ang nasisisi. And not only that, you work hardships on the people. May iba diyang masakit. Yung iba dyan gustong, whatever. May personal necessities.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.